guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be here in the studio, new background, opening this package that was sent over to me from Japan. This is from our good buddy Gabe over in Japan, also known as JDM Informant. If you guys haven't seen those videos, be sure to check it out. We've been really putting a lot of time into bringing out content from Japan regarding MRSs and the whole grassroots car scene over there. But it's good stuff. Anyways, he sent over this package, and it's probably going to be JDM and car related or not appropriate for this channel, so I just thought I would share it with you guys. And we're going to open it together. I have no idea really what's inside, so yeah. Just thought I'd mention, Gabe does have a online store, so I'm assuming he probably sent stuff from there. And he's my good friend just over there in Japan, so should be some good stuff. And I know he's really trying to be able to sell stuff direct from Japan, especially regarding MRSs. But anyways, let's take a look inside. Nice. So here we have the MRS Type R looking side badge. This is a recreation of the MRS side decal that's available as a dealer option in Japan. We got one, we got two, so that'll look good on the Froge. And then we have, ooh, so this is, check it out, Techno Pro Spirit sweater, I think. Let me open it up. This is my first unboxing video. So open the JDM packaging. Ooh, nice. Ooh, actually, so it's a zip up Techno Pro Spirit hoodie. It's pretty sick. Here's the back. Nice. So actually, I'll just throw this on for you guys so you can check it out. But yeah, this is just one of the few things he'll be able to send us over from Japan. Hopefully I see him soon. But yeah, let's put this on and you guys can check it out. So yeah, dude. So this is the sweatshirt. Let's check it out. Got that back logo. But yeah, pretty sweet. If you guys want your own, you can check it out on his website, or he's selling stuff directly from Techno Pro Spirits. They live in the same area, and he's always hanging out there, so be sure to check it out. This is a size large. I'm typically a US medium, so I think you have to order a size up because it's JDM sizing. But anyways, again, if you guys haven't checked out the JDM Informant stuff on the channel, please be sure to check it out. I put a lot of time editing, and Gabe puts in a lot of time trying to record stuff for you guys to see the MRS and grassroots stuff out in Japan, and we hope to really grow the channel that way, as well as the stuff here on the stateside. And hopefully one day I'll go back over in Japan and we can film something together again. But anyways, guys, that was just a short video of unboxing what was in the sweet JDM care package. And I'm also going to be sending my old MWR header for Gabe, because he's going to be starting his 2ZZ swap. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.